Think small, smaller than anything you've ever seen through a microscope at school. Think atoms and molecules. You are now at the nanoscale, where 1 nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter, and everything is smaller than you can believe. To even begin to understand this topic, we have to learn about a little something called nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is the study of building things at the scale of atoms and molecules. Scientists use nanotechnology for many different things in many different fields. An example is using nanotechnology to make cars, planes, and other modes of transport more efficient. Nanoscientists can modify the way atoms and molecules display themselves in an object, making it lighter. Making transportation lighter means less fuel will be needed. Nanoscale materials can also be found in nature, even in our bodies. Hemoglobin, the oxygen transporting protein found in red blood cells, is 5.5 nanometers in diameter. That's about 10 times smaller than your fingernail, the thickness of it. So now that we know what nanotechnology is and how it can be used, we're going to learn a little bit about its history. Believe it or not, the science of nanotechnology was actually used in the 6th century. Vibrant stained glass windows owe their rich colors to nanoparticles of colloidal gold. This lets the stained glass appear to be different from each point of view. Another example of nanotechnology being used before the modern era was with an artifact called the Ligurius cup. This cup was made with colloidal gold and silver. Colloidal gold is a suspension of gold nanoparticles in a solvent such as water. This allows the cup to be green and red, depending on where the light falls. Now we will fast forward to the modern era, to 1981, when the scanning tunneling microscope was invented, allowing scientists to see individual atoms for the first time. This invention was the start of a new era of nanotechnology. With this discovery, many scientists were able to conduct astronomical experiments using the microscope. In the early 2000s, consumer products using nanotechnology appeared in the market. Golf balls were restructured using nanotechnology to make them fly straighter. Car bumpers were remodeled to make them more scratch resistant. People were slowly realizing that this could be the next big thing. Imagine changing something at the molecular level, essentially altering the building blocks that shape our universe. Nanotechnology is a groundbreaking mode of science that will change the way we look at things. Remember that thinking big is not always the answer. Sometimes you have to think small. Thank you.